The pop-up stopper broke. I went to Home Depot to get replacement parts. After I removed the rod at the bottom, I found out the rod. It's broken too. Here's the replacement part. Here are all the tools that you need. After 3 trips to Home Depot, I finally got the right replacement kit. Getting this magnetic pop-up stopper kit. It has everything that you need. Different ball size. It's much easier and quicker to replace. You don't have to try to fit the rod into the hole like on the first one that I got.